everyone. Welcome to today's Moldex3D Technical Forum. I'm Elvin Shi from Moldex3D EMEA team. The topic for today is long and short fiber setting in Moldex3D Studio. In Moldex3D Studio interface, after we have prepared the model, properly mesh it, select a material with fiber in it, and then set up the process condition, including your filling time, filling pressure, packing pressure, mold temperature, etc. We can move on to computation parameter setting. In the Flow and Pack tab, by default, the round fiber orientation analysis function will be on, but it is always better to double check. We have to make sure this icon is on in order to have fiber orientation result after the simulation is done. Now after double check, we can go to the advanced setting. In the second tab, we have the filler parameter. The first filler type, we can choose between long fiber and short fiber. Let's take long fiber for an example. Normally the long fiber aspect ratio, which is the length to diameter ratio, is between 100 to 700. And the weight percentage is actually determined by the material file. And then is the Jeffrey hydrodynamics, fourth orientation tensor closure. For this, we have three different models: hybrid, ORE, and IBOF. Hybrid is the first model that Moldex3D used, and ORE and IBOF are the modified and optimized ones. In Moldex3D R16, IBOF is the default model. And then is the rotary diffusion. For long fiber, we have two different models, ARD and IARD. They are very similar, but IARD is the modified one by Moldex3D. It has less parameter that you need to set up, but comes with a higher accuracy. The parameters are CI and CM. And CI stands for the fiber-to-fiber interaction, while CM stands for the fiber-to-matrix interaction. And for my fiber-to-matrix interaction, we also have another factor, is the RPR model alpha factor. And then is the advanced calculation option that you can decide whether you want to consider fiber concentration and fiber breakage calculation. And in the parameter setting here, we can set up the fiber concentration and fiber breakage setting, including the fiber diameter, fiber friction index, drag coefficient, breakage factor, scalar factor. Now let's take a look at the suggested value for all the parameters that we have mentioned before. For rotary diffusion, the suggested value for CI, which is the fiber-to-fiber interaction, is 0 to 0.1. And for CM, the fiber-to-matrix interaction, the suggested value is between 0 to 1. The same for alpha, the suggested value is also from 0 to 1. And let's take a look at the fiber concentration setting. We have the fiber friction index. And for fiber friction index, the suggested value is between 2 to 5. Okay, and that's all for today's topic, long and short fiber in Moldex3D. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you have any further question, please don't hesitate to send us an email to this address. We'll be happy to reply you as soon as possible. And if you enjoyed the video today, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again and wish you a pleasant day.